at the grassroots level, and this cannot be afforded compromise at the cost of delay, injustice, and aggravating nuisance of the human right.
But if this letter is already in the field, then the petitioner does not want elections.
मैं उस पे अर्ज कर देता हूं.
If the Chief Justice, the Lahore High Court, the others have also declined or not?
Out of 5, the Islamabad High Court did not respond. We wrote in September and October to all the others. The Peshawar High Court said कि go to National Judicial Policy. आप वहाँ से जाके clarification लें. They did not agree to accede to our request. Balochistan High Court initially agreed, but later on the learned registrar said that no, we cannot provide. This was as near as the 2 weeks back. And Sindh High Court, just like Lahore High Court का एक और superseding letter है वो मैं अभी पढ़ता हूँ. They said कि नहीं, जब आप election program issue करेंगे फिर हमें request भेजिएगा. तो इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम तो बिल्कुल एट द वर्ज आता है. हमने AROs और DROs की ट्रेनिंग तो पहले करनी है.
वो तो पहले होती है. अच्छा, नहीं तो फिर इसका मतलब है कि योर फर्स्ट चॉइस was judicial officer, but the high courts did not agree, and for valid reasons, because you hold election and the litigant then suffers. And
that 1.5 months.
There is also another aspect, because I remember the elections when we did give judicial officers, and this was, I think, when I was Chief Justice of Balochistan, then the allegations invariably, and we also do judicial work, then the same matter may come before us in a judicial forum, because election tribunals are also judicial officers. So it could be argued that, this is a job, we have a clearly separation of powers of the executive, the judiciary, the legislature. We forget one important pillar, which is the election commission. But it's not a part of the executive, it's not a part of the judiciary, it's on its own.
We are a federal institution, but our constitutional body on its own, not under any.
Yes. So your choice was not, the first choice was not, you didn't appoint yourself.
No, my lord.
You asked the judiciary.
We were constrained.
And the judiciary, basically, this in Punjab, there is a clear-cut no.
Clear-cut no. उसके बाद in October,
then
there was another letter.
Then I'm just thinking, how can the learned judge suspend an order? He will issue a writ against the High Court.
That's one of our grounds.
No. Then the learned single judge has passed an order.
The learned single
judge. And he will direct the Chief Justice to provide officers. When can a writ be issued against the High Court? So what sort of relief do they want? Or they don't want elections? Where is this, Mr. Where is this, Mr. Niazi? I mean, if one person is going to hold Pakistan to ransom, he's just one individual, and he says, I'm so and so.
No other political party has come forward to challenge this.
Political parties are in the business of elections, so why would they
want an election?
And this one political party says, I don't want elections. But it was the very same political party whose petition I decided.
Yes, we have attached that 3rd of November's order along with this petition.
But usme to the election, why didn't they say those things then? It was represented before us, if I remember correctly, by
Ali Zafar.
Yes,
Mr. Ali Zafar was representing Pakistan.
There was no such demand or suggestion, and we kind of got the order. This appears to be, I don't know if it's bona fide petition or not.
My lord, in fact, with due respect to the learned single judge, there is not even a single ground which says it's ultra-vires. Which provision is ultra-vires of?
Where is
my lord, the order starts at page 10.
Let's read the operative part.
Page 12, my lord.
Page 12?
At page 12, para 4.
No, ये तो legally under challenge है. But what have they?
These are the discussions.
Can you read paragraph 7?
My lord, then we go to the speaking part, which is para 7 and 8.
नहीं 7 पढ़ें.
7. Keeping in view the importance of the legal interpretation of the constitutional provision having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue.
Where is the constitution provisions? There's no constitution.
There is no. The whole order is silent as to which.
I don't know. Let's read it further.
Having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue, office is directed to place this file before the Honorable Chief Justice for constitution of a larger bench. Page.
But he has not passed in an order.
My lord, these are the reasons. Para 5, 6, and
8 फिर क्या कहते
8 is the suspension order. Notice. Meanwhile, the notification dated sare ke sare 11 December 2023 issued by the Election Commission of Pakistan appointing the DROs, ROs, assistant returning officers from executive shall remain suspended. Shall remain suspended. So there is a complete.
One second, I fail to understand. If a judge is passing an order for constitution of a larger bench, then judicial propriety demands that he stays his hand.
Yes.
Now, how can then he pass an order? Either he passes an order and doesn't say the matter be placed before the Chief Justice. Then the Chief Justice has been given a fait accompli. You do what I ask you to do.
In fact,
either you request the Chief Justice of the Constitutional Larger Bench, or you don't make this request and you just proceed with the matter.
Yes, my lord.
So, has the Larger Bench been constituted?
It has been constituted for Monday.
Who is heading the Larger Bench?
The very honorable judge.
The same judge?
The same judge.
2 other judges.
And five-member bench.
This is very strange. So what is the purpose of this petition?
In fact, what has done...
No, let's look at it logically.
My lord.
Now, who have you appointed? Have you appointed people of some political party as ROs or DROs?
No, my lord.
Who have you appointed?
These are a mix.
Then एक पे चलते हैं ना.
My lord.
There are 4 notifications.
जी.
Let's take the first one.
Notifications are at page 27.
One at a time करें.
My lord. It starts at page 27, my lord. Their notification.
This is for DROs.
These are DROs.
11th of
So notifications all across the country have been suspended?
It's all across the country.
In Sindh and Balochistan also?
My lord, this notification is across the country.
How many DROs in the country? कितने DROs appoint हुए?
Per district, every district
कितने हैं? Total कितने हैं सारे?
85. This is.
अच्छा ये पहला वाला देखिए. अच्छा I'm told it's 144.
It gives a total number, my lord.
ये इन्होंने शायद हिसाब लगा लिया.
ये जरा कैलकुलेट कर लें कि DROs और AROs टोटल कितने हैं ऑल पाकिस्तान?
Total is 148 DROs.
नहीं टोटल AROs DROs ऑल ओवर पाकिस्तान कितना है टोटल फिगर?
AROs is 148.
148
और ROs कितने?
AROs हैं ROs हैं.
चलिए आप इनको हिसाब लगा के देखें, ऐसे बातें ना करें, कागज के
टोटल
टुकड़े
फिगर दे देना हमें टोटल फिगर.
गिन के बताइए.
859 ROs.
अच्छा नहीं, हम जरा इनके नाम देखना चाहते हैं किसको आपने अपॉइंट किया है.
My lord.
ये रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर पेज 27 पे कौन है ये लोग?
नहीं
पेज 27 पे आपने पहला बताया ना ये.
This is the reserved seat वाला notification.
तो देना कौन है DROs किसके ये रिश्तेदार?
These are from our own officers.
पढ़ देना, designations पढ़ दे, नाम ना पढ़ें.
Mohammed Freed, Additional Director General Elections 1, Election Commission of Pakistan.
तो ये तो चैलेंज भी नहीं हुआ और सस्पेंड हो गया.
ये तो सारे आपके अपने
ये तो हमारे अपने हैं.
हमने चैलेंज ही नहीं किया पिटिशनर.
नहीं किया.
उसने तो खाली कहा था कि सिर्फ जो एग्जीक्यूटिव्स
there was a CM file, उसके अंदर ने कहा कि ये वाला भी इंक्लूड करें.
Even though the Viris is only
तो
challenged.
फिर आप भी इलेक्शन ना कराएं, एग्जीक्यूटिव भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं, जुडिशियल ऑफिसर भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं, तो एक्चुअली ऑब्जेक्टिव इज नॉट टू होल्ड इलेक्शंस देन.
That is prima facie the intent.
The Viris of section 51B has been challenged. This is under A.
Yes.
ये तो चैलेंज ही नहीं हुआ ना.
और these all have been suspended.
ये तो आपके अपने दफ्तर के मतलब अपने इलेक्शन कमीशन के लोग हैं.
जी. This notification जो कि रिजर्व शीट फॉर वुमेन के लिए है वो हमारे ऑफिस.
अगला वाला पढ़ें.
नेक्स्ट इज पेज 29 पे.
अब ये कौन है DROs?
ये DROs है जी. मोहम्मद इरफानुद्दीन.
नाम नहीं बताएं, डेजिग्नेशन बताएं.
डिप्टी कमिश्नर अपर चतराल.
तो ये तो सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स हैं.
जी सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर.
तो इसमें तो आपने हम देखना चाह रहे हैं कि आपने कोई पिक एंड चूज की है.
No.
ये तो आपने
in fact
एक सेकंड. ये सारे इस पेज पे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स हैं, दूसरे, तीसरे, चौथे, पांचवे, छठे, ये तो सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स.
All are deputy commissioners.
The DROs are deputy commissioners.
They are the deputy.
तो इसमें आपने कोई मतलब ये नहीं कि
no
एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट से एक को लगा दिया, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट से दूसरे को लगा दिया.
No. DROs are all deputy commissioners of the relevant districts.
माशाल्लाह. तो तीसरा नोटिफिकेशन कहाँ है?
तीसरा नोटिफिकेशन है जी पेज 39 पे जी.
39?
39 पे my lord. It's 11th December. Additional Deputy Commissioner General.
ये भी सारे आपके एडिशनल कमिश्नर
Additional Deputy Commissioner. Without any discrimination. बल्कि when the
नहीं तो आपने कोई पिक एंड चूज नहीं की
no.
They were posted as.
They were posted, already posted. In fact, जब हम the caretaker government came, we issued a directive के shuffle all the appointees जो कि पिछली वाली governments के थे या वो सारे, and all the deputy commissioners and the higher administrative machinery was actually shuffled. So these are actually
When
working.
was that? The shuffling?
ये different time पे होती है, ये February से शुरू हुई है shuffling करवाने, क्योंकि province of Punjab the election had to take place at that time.
Who is the gentleman barrister Umair Khan Niazi?
My lord, he says he is the general secretary.
Has he attached any authority from the party itself?
No, there is none.
He's just one
He's just one
person.
individual.
One individual person has come and challenged the notifications of all Pakistan DROs.
Sabotage the whole
Is he
process.
related to, because the word is Niazi, is he related?
I have no idea, my lord.
I don't know.
That's no concern, but
And who have been President of Pakistan, Prime Minister, इनको भी पार्टी बनाया हुआ है?
जी, उनको भी पार्टी बनाया।
उनका क्या काम है इससे?
President, because the president had announced the date.
तो फिर basically they don't want elections to take place.
Want elections to take place.
The president and the election commission together, if I remember, वो हमारा order किधर है जो हमने pass किया था?
That is at page 3rd of January 224, my lord.
हाँ?
2 to 4. Page 2 to 4
2
of the petition, my lord. And the speaking.
इसमें तो पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ is one of the petitioner. इसमें तो हमने वाज़े तौर पे लिखा हुआ है पेज पैराग्राफ 18 में पढ़िए
जी माला पैरा 17 your lordship
पैराग्राफ 17 या 18
पैरा 17 it starts at पैरा 17 and
18 पढ़िए वो तो जरा पूरी हिस्ट्री दे रहे
18 is the president of Pakistan and the election commission have announced the date for holding of general elections to the National Assembly and the provincial assemblies. The federal government, the provincial governments and the Islamabad capital territory have concurred. The matter of holding the general election on 8th February stands resolved. No one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy.
No, but shall we issue a contempt notice?
Exactly.
No, isn't this word clear? No one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy.
The timing is very important.
Sorry, this is Barrister Umair Khan Niazi, then this is a violation of the Supreme Court order.
It's a violation of my...
And this petition is entertained and interim order passed, and then larger bench is constituted, which is again headed by the same judge.
Your Lordship. And so much so, there is a clear verdict, 12-member bench, कि provision of the law till it is actually declared. एजाज है इस case कि आप उसको operation नहीं suspend
law
कर
को
सकते.
छोड़ दीजिए, हम आइन पे चलते हैं ना.
Your Lordship.
आइन में आप ये किसका काम इलेक्शन करवाना?
Election Commission.
कौन सा प्रोविजन है?
218 and 19, my lord.
218 and 19.
And 19, my lord.
Mr. Swati, while we read this, ये जरा बताएं कि petitioner ने क्या कहा कि ये तकरीबन 1000 आदमी बन रहा है ना?
जी.
Something like this.
जी.
1014 बंदे.
1014 बंदे जो हैं, इसमें से क्या इनके बारे में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
ये कह रहे हैं जी कि MPOs के ऑर्डर भी यही DCs पास कर रहे हैं. वो तो अंडर द लॉ उन्होंने ही पास करने.
ये सारे मतलब
सारे के सारे हटा दें और जुडिशियल
आपको हो सकता है ना कि ये मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में आपने खास बंदा लगा दिया है.
वन ऑफ होता तो शायद वी कुड हैव एंटरटेन्ड दैट कि जी एक बंदा बाइस्ड है.
यही मैं सवाल आपसे पूछने वाला हूँ. इस पिटीशन से फाइल करने से पहले उन्होंने आपको कोई दरखास्त दी बराए करम ये कर दीजिए?
नो
स्ट्रेट अवे हाई कोर्ट.
स्ट्रेट अवे हाई कोर्ट. और अभी 5 दिन पहले
1014 जो भी लोग हैं ये सारे वो क्या कहते हैं पिटीशन में? दे आर बायस्ड.
they say कि they belong to the machinery of executive और executive के ऊपर हमारा ट्रस्ट नहीं है.
ये
तो इसलिए जुडिशियल साइड से होने चाहिए.
तो फिर वो ये भी कह सकते हैं हमें जुडिशरी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है. उनके कहने से क्या होगा?
In any case, this is part of the law, which somebody could have challenged, and as pointed out earlier, elections have taken place.
Yes.
तो इस तरह और कब शुरू हुआ है ये? कब अपॉइंट हुआ और कितनी ट्रेनिंग हो गई अभी तक? What has happened?
Lord, 11th of December को ये अपॉइंट हुआ है.
और अभी तक
और 3 दिन हमने ट्रेनिंग. There were 7 days training. 3 days training took place. Then we had to halt the training in compliance with the interim order.
ये बताएं कि
Why you hold it?
Because the notification was suspended.
नोटिफिकेशन सस्पेंड हुआ, ट्रेनिंग तो सस्पेंड नहीं हुई थी। अगर उनकी ट्रेनिंग हो जाती तो क्या फर्क पड़ना था?
ये ऑर्डर कब पास किया इन्होंने?
ये कल पास किया 13th को, परसों।
And when was the election program due?
आज 15th को। ट्रेनिंग एक दिन हुई है सिर्फ।
है जी?
ट्रेनिंग सिर्फ एक दिन हुई और 7 दिन की ट्रेनिंग थी।
इधर कोई पीटीआई का कोई है? नहीं, हम उनसे समझना चाहते हैं ना भाई वजह क्या थी ये करने की।
नहीं देखें, आप ये भी तो देखें, वो बंदा इंडिविजुअली कर रहा है, नाम वो यूज हो सकता है, तहरीक इंसाफ का नाम यूज करता हो। कौन लोग हैं जो नहीं चाहते कि इलेक्शन हो?
यस,
ये बताइए, इसके बारे में बताएं। कौन लोग हैं जो इलेक्शन नहीं चाहते? इस तरह ओपनली कौन कह सकता है कि नहीं? और फिर हमारे ऑर्डर के खिलाफ जब हमने कह दिया कि इसको कोई नहीं डिरेल करेगा, तो कौन डिरेल कर रहा है? पीछे कौन है?
We don't know, my lord. This is very strange kind of intervention, I would say. Contrary to law, the timing is very
this
precarious.
constitution पे आप बता रहे थे whose responsibility it is to hold elections.
Election Commission, my
Which
lord.
is that provision?
218 and 219, my lord.
तो फिर मेरे ख्याल में जज साहब ही इलेक्शन करवा लें फिर। आप तो क्या उनको कह दें वो इलेक्शन करवा लें? मतलब यू नो, सॉरी, वी आर वेरी क्लियर। आपको याद है जब आपकी पिटीशन ये चल रही थी, हमने कहा हम आपका काम नहीं करेंगे।
नहीं करेंगे।
अब आपसे मगर हम आपका काम करवाएंगे आपसे।
बिल्कुल,
बहुत फर्क होता है दोनों चीजें में।
बिल्कुल।
तो फिर मेरे ख्याल में आप अब ये, सॉरी, दिस इज, आई एम रियली सरप्राइज, ऐसे ऑर्डर्स पास हो रहे हैं जुडिशरी से। किधर है वो आपका कौन सा प्रोविजन है?
218 का 3 and 219 का D। 218 3 218 का
Swati, in their petition before the High Court, what is the precise allegation against the 1,000 people? क्या है इनको प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
They generally attack it कि executive जो है free and fair election नहीं करवाएगी।
As a concept.
As a concept, not any individual.
But not at this stage when the election process has begun.
Has begun.
सारा आपके पास टाइम था, आप लॉ को चैलेंज करते, जो मर्जी करते।
More than 6 years, these two provisions had been on the statute book, and the timing is very precarious. Just
ये अटॉर्नी जनरल को सुना?
एडवोकेट जनरल को जी सुना। एडवोकेट जनरल को, अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफिस को भी।
Were you called for?
The additional attorney general was.
No, yourself.
Gee, notice was under 27A. Notice was issued, but the additional attorney general had appeared.
No, you didn't appear.
I did not.
Why?
To be honest, I was not aware of this petition. I only came to know about the order when the order was passed in the evening day before yesterday.
Late in the evening.
That's a very serious statement you're making. The Attorney General of Pakistan was bypassed.
I was in the Supreme